Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina. We're down at the Shore House once again this week. I'm Cara Di Falco. On this channel, we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite summertime appetizer, side dish, whatever you want to do with it. We're just making some peppers and zucchini with herbed breadcrumbs. Really easy dish to make, using up again that beautiful summer produce that we have here in New Jersey and the Northeast throughout the country, really. So bell peppers and zucchini, two of my favorite things in general. So we're really just kind of slicing things up, and that's the nice part about this dish is it's pretty easy. So for your pepper, you can just go down the four sides of the pepper and you'll avoid most of the seeds that way. We can lie this one down at this point. And then you can just take off the bottom. It goes in the thank you for coming bowl. Get rid of our seeds here. And then if you do have any of that white membrane left or any of the seeds, you can either just pull it off with your hand or you can use your knife to kind of slice it away. Just be careful. Tap out. We've got a few extra seeds in there. And that's about the size that we want these pieces of pepper, because we are going to stuff them with breadcrumbs. For our zucchini, very similarly, we're just gonna cut the ends off. And then this zucchini happens to be humongous, so I'm just gonna cut it into rounds. And this dish, this is kind of a riff on a couple different things. So when I was in college, my roommate did something similar to this that her mom used to make. Actually, we had gone to high school together too. And she would just take zucchini rounds and put a little bit of oil and Parmesan cheese on them and throw them under the broiler till the cheese, melted and kind of turned brown. And those were a great kind of after school healthy snack. It was always, I think parents are eternally looking for ways to get vegetables in their kids. So that's kind of one part of this is where I threw the zucchini in. And then the peppers are actually, it really works out well that we're down the shore. A really favorite appetizer of mine from Senza Cucina, which is Chef Giuseppe Gramaglia. And again, if you guys have been watching the show for a while, he's been on a couple of times, but if not, I'll hook you up with some of his recipes in the card above and the description below, because they are always phenomenal and well worth making. So he does this appetizer with the peppers at his restaurant down in Bayville, New Jersey. And if you are a Jersey Shore person or you're down the Jersey Shore, definitely check them out, because they do a beautiful job there. But the peppers, so between that and the zucchini, we've kind of come up with our own version here now in the cucina. So we have our veggies all cut up, and I am going to put some olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper on these, and we're just gonna get them all tossed together and then laid out onto a cookie sheet. For our breadcrumb filling, I have about a cup of panko breadcrumbs here, just plain panko crumbs. So those are actually the Japanese style one, but they're bigger pieces and they get a little more crispy. We're gonna season them with some salt, a little garlic powder, some black pepper. Also gonna add in about a quarter cup of grated cheese. And finally, I have some chopped fresh parsley here that we're gonna add to the crumbs as well. Once we have our peppers laid out on our cookie sheet, we're just gonna use our hands, get those breadcrumbs in there, on top of the zucchini. Can kind of give everything a little pat, make sure it sticks. Now we're just gonna drizzle everything with a little bit of more olive oil. These are gonna go in a 450-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Again, just keep an eye on them. Once your veggies are out of the oven, you can put them on a tray. These are nice topped with some capers or some chopped olives as well, goes really well here. That is it for this week in the Cucina, guys. As always, the recipe is going to be available at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Again, makes a great appetizer, great side dish for the rest of the summer and into the fall. I'll see you guys next time. Buon appetito.